Okay, magandang umaga po. So, ang ating lesson today is divide fraction by number. So, we say number example po 3 and 1, 2 divided by 2 and 1/3. So, ito po dividing fraction. First, kukunin po natin ng 3 and 1. Copy 3 and 1, 2. And then change the sign. So, 3 and 1 will become 2 times 3 equals 6 plus 1 equals 7 over 2. Yung pong 3 and 1, 2 equals to 7 over 2. 7 over 2. Yan. And then, yung 2 and 1/3 po. Yan, 2 and 1/3. First, multiply po natin. Times 2 is 6 plus 1 equals 7 over 3. So, 2 and 3 equals 7 over 3. Ilagay po natin dito 7 over 3. So, meaning say 7